Assalamualaikum, welcome back in Tech24 channel. Today I'm going to show that how can create an amazing logo with CorelDRAW using nowadays is the best popular software for CorelDRAW. Now start the illustrations. Let's get it. Click on circle, Ctrl Shift and draw. And now the shape is two line. Now click on right button mouse. This is the line color, or Illustrator calls the stroke colors, and the fill color is left button. So I fill just none. Okay. Now we click on the freehand tool, click and just you rotate here, one click, and the next one click. Now select on pick tool and mouse right button click this color. Now we turn this roller and this sides roller. Now I click on pick tool, select the circle and the shape proper here. Just go back and just select the line, Ctrl C and Ctrl B, copy paste, copy and paste. Ctrl C and Ctrl B, and just click on the center, the rotate option is cast, line center, and mouse left button click, on is 12, click on right button and then left free, right free. Just click on Ctrl plus R 13 times for this circle and select this outline. Okay. Just smart fill and click on this tool. Look, this color is automatic here. Now we click on pick tool and now Alt press and select here. Now we press on delete. Now we'll select this here and delete again. If you want, now you click on groups, just click here for group. Look, now this is the one of group here. Now this shape on rectangle, just click on 0. Now select on pick tool, now F10 shape tool. Now that shape tool, just I want to click again, drop rectangle here, outline is none. Just copy, paste. Now select pick tool, spacebar press, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, paste, and just above, up. Now I slow down and the shape is 4. Enter, hit, look. Now I want to select this color. Just Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Just row down or shift down. Just down. Now look, and I fulfill this color with black. White. This is the black. White. Now click on Shift free tool. Just select Ctrl Q, Ctrl Q, just to row down as you align. Now select on pick tool, now we right here Arial black, you choose as your font. I choose this font now. Now adjust it. If you want to change your font and color, select pick tool and left right button mouse. Now you change your font as you wish. Now just move it. Now I wanted this group, select Ctrl G or press here, Ctrl G, total 1 group. Now I need this picture, and you go down your these PC options, the photo, just you wrote down and paste here. Now there is group, and this picture order in font. you set as you wish, which you like to set up here. If you want after height, now check out it. If you want this cup is not rose color, you want to change your color, because this is group. This likes glorious logo. If you want to try this tutorial, thank you watching this video.